Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be reviewing Arctic Wide. It's a design hinged door closet with aluminum frames and ribbed glass doors. Let's dive in. So this very closet is 340.6 centimeters wide, 255.1 centimeters high and 61.2 centimeters deep. The Arctic Wide collection is comprised of two doors. We have the 54 centimeter door, which is this one, okay, which does create, in conjunction with, in pairs, elements, columns of 110 centimeters. And then we have the 46 centimeters door, which is a bit smaller, still with a good proportion and good looks, and this allows to create 95 centimeters columns. You have also other dimensions available because you have the height of 229 centimeters, which is good, for example, for our clients, especially abroad in Switzerland or even France, where they might have ceilings lower than 270. You might have 240 centimeter ceiling, and then the 229 could be a good option for you. And then you also have the 43.8 centimeters depth, which is good for entrances always, or for those situations in a room where maybe beside the entrance door of the room, you might start with a lower depth, and then move on to the standard depth, which allows to the standard use in terms of hanging space. Well, I defined it to start off with as a design closet because actually the door of the Arctic Wide collection is a design piece. You have this aluminum frame, which has plain sides but is rounded on the front. It has this tiny but effective integrated handle. I very much like it also because the door is very light, and so you don't need much grip to open it and activate it properly. And behind the ribbed glass, you can perceive the structure here, but it's a very elegant perception. And of course, this ribbed glass look is not only trendy, but I also find it an evergreen. I could see it as a vintage approach, but very trendy right now. So is it fashion? I think it is fashionable in a way that can last for decades, and these are the best items, those that are trendy and in a certain moment, but they never go out of fashion. So let's have a look at the hinges, because the hinges are very peculiar, because you basically don't perceive them. You see there's the part which is integrated into the aluminum frame, which of course connects the door to the structure, and then there's this metal square which covers the part which connects to the partition, and so they are very, very clean in design, and they are aligned with the high-end approach of the Arctic Wide collection. I just show you the special hinges of the Arctic Wide collection, and these special hinges, they are not only very clean to look at, but they have these special features which they open completely, nearly 180 degrees, and so you don't have the normal situation where when you're using a column like this and you are confined in between these two doors, but you can actually have full approach to your clothing and items, and well, it's another nice feature. As much as you have two different heights, two different depths, and with the two measures available for the doors, you can create a wealth of different compositions. We must say that you cannot do custom measurements on the Arctic Wide collection. You could have custom depth, because the depth would not work on the door, but you cannot not have custom width or custom height, because you would have to cut the door, and this is the type of door which is not custom made in terms of measurement. You have a degree of customization about materials, and we'll talk about it. So we already described ribbed glass, ribbed bronze glass, I must say. Then we have plain bronze glass available, and then we have also mirror. In terms of metals, we have the nickel finish, which is this one, and then we have our very famous, I would say, mocha shine finish, which is a graphite color with shades of brown, very flexible in many different rooms. Let's talk about the inside. I love this effect, this overall effect. We have this walnut laminate finish that we have chosen here for the showroom. We have 5 available laminates and 25 different colors, which we can have as lacquered colors on top of a skin effect laminate. So much flexibility also for the inside of the Arctic White collection. Here, let's describe this column. We have these, well, the standard shelf above with this rectangular section hanging bar. And then we have the metal and glass shelf, which is very elegant. What is the point? Of course, a metal and glass shelf is more expensive than a standard laminate shelf. The point is that when the shelf is not filled with items, like in this case, I can see through and see what's beneath it. And so it's a luxury, I must say, but it's a nice luxury to have. And I'd like to point out the new LED lights, which are thinner than previous models, and so they create a very effective light, but it's not as wide as it used to be. And I'd like to talk for a second about the lighting system, because you know, when you see glass doors closets in a showroom or in a catalog, the picture, or if you see it in a showroom, normally they are shown with the lights on, because with the lights on you perceive it, I could say, in a better way. But the point is that in your home, normally, well, you have two ways of using lights inside a closet with a glass door. You could have the doors which turn on when you open the door, like this. Okay, now it does turn off. I open the door, that sensor sees that I have opened the door, and the lights are turned on. And this is I would say, the most practical use, especially with the glass which is not fully transparent, like in this case. On transparent glass closet, there could be another approach, which would be to hinder the functioning of the sensor, to connect the lighting to a switch in your room. And for example, the lights of the closet could be used as ambient lighting in the room. Of course, you must consider that here in a showroom, in a catalog, or in Richard Gere's bedroom in American Gigolo, all the shirts, all the clothing is always perfect. But of course, in a real home, even if you are a tidy person, there will be more stuff to be organized. And so I must say that a transparent glass door never looks as it does look in a catalog. And so at least having the lights off and to be turned on only when you open the door, I think it's the right approach, and this is what we did here in the showroom. Let's open another column. The first column here is identical to the third, but of course in your home you can do whatever you want. Here is another standard approach, but we get to see the hanging drawers unit, because you can have drawers unit which rest on the floor of the closet, or these hanging units are nice. I do appreciate the ones resting on the base of the closet, because, well, you would have, I don't know, 3 or 4 drawers instead of 2. I'm not a fan of a supporter of the hanging drawers unit, but this is just a personal opinion of mine. And what is your take? Do you like the hanging cabinets for drawers in your closet? Write it in the comments. So we've come to the end of today's product review about the Arctic White design hinged door closet. I hope that you liked with its ribbed glass and aluminum frames, and see you next time. Bye bye.